So we're going to use this activity in the first step of my online lesson module, just to remind the students what functions are and allow me to see what they know as well. So not just them recalling information, but me being able to see what they know. So all they do is click on the link, which I've provided in my online lesson module for Padlet, and then they get to this Padlet, and they'll see my examples, so they know what to say. And they don't have to come up with their own stuff. Like if they see one of these that they know, they can write it down. So yeah, they click here on the bottom right, the little plus sign, and you can add whatever you want. Title it. Say like function facts, or recall these functions, or something like that. And then I'll have them write a fun fact, and then I'll have them say their name at the bottom of the comment, which is included in my online lesson module. So yeah.